Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can change the location of your YouTube channel's country residency in your iPhone or iPad. Simply just follow all the settings. I'm going to tell that in this video to do that. Simply just going to the settings of your iPhone and have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. After that, simply just going to the YouTube Studio and make sure you just log in that channel. Just going that to channels and just going to the profile section and going to the settings sections, and you see that the option of our country of residency. Just tap on that and you see that you can change the country residency. Just find a country which you want to do that. I'm currently right now in Pakistan, so you have to select a country, anyone. Just like that, I'm going to select a USA. So I'm going to find that and just do select that USA and see that country of residency going to change. So here you have the method. You can change the country residency in your YouTube channels, in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So that is the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.